dog me. Who dog me blood clot. I don't know, like me can't get man. Because boy wants me and needs me like flour dumping the blood clot. But you respect figure it out.
So it wasn't real? Yeah, Leah, she said no, them say not real.
It's not going to work. So I could just do what we are, if we are doing serious, do what we are do. You know. The only thing I figure it out, no, you know, I never fuck it, you know. I figure it out because like we are real man now, man. We go down road, you know. We cook for him, wash him, everything, you know. We go down him and we rub up rockstone, you know. We class each other, you know. But we don't, me just do it. Him class me from my face. But me I tell him the truth. Me rub him behind him back with rose, not with people. Rose, me rub him with rose.
Yeah, it's just business chats.
Come here, say we are girls.
I've been telling you guys. Guys, begging us some doing a chat. This not done yet because Dyema no Lego device note them yet.
And boy, you not believe me? Me? Rose, remember your ball for fuck, you know? Really, I want, you know? I'm Mr. Rose, I don't know about you, know, because I'm going to leave. Come on, fuck me, I'm going to leave. Yeah, so we can't walk, we left them, so yeah, the people are going to class me. That you say. When me and the car, I say, I don't know about you, Rose, I'm going to leave, because I look fuck. I will stop saying that before restriction. And you go back to the girl, and you tell the girl all these things, and the girl really come and tell me, say, my bad man, Rose. Eh? And how me I run back a rosy cloth. Remember me not greedy. Ask my people about me. And since me come in a series, me come on live so regular. When me click my live 6 o'clock morning time, I come after it. Anything will make me satisfied with it. And go about my business. Remember say me have promotion. Remember me sell clothes. Remember when you know say me can't dance, me still get bookings. I when you know say me all. At 300,000 me charge a show, you know.
300, I lie.
At 300,000 me charge a show. Remember all the video shoot, everything, and all thing, and me elephant man car.
150.
And me charge all 3 of them. Any bookings want to see have a TikTok and me get them.
My brother.
And me look all of the show them for them. Come here,
guys, beg chat, beg on some doing nothing, guys.
Me I try to take them have a TikTok and put them up in the world. Me I try good for everybody. And me Elical, me Dyema, me Elical, and me charge for them. 150,000 a piece you charge just for 5 minutes. Turn up in one scene and put our we don't do nothing. 5 minutes enough for. How we get too much stay in a hotel, all inclusive and all them something. And I know what we do, just stand up and look. When I was put on one frack and show our bucket, so I keep him up. That's it, 150.
My brother there.
I mean, look every work out of the road. I mean, look every work.
So
Rose
cool.
like big, yes, sir, but me big in the road. The Rose have 2 different type of big. Rose TikTok big, I'm international big. So there's no need for me to Rose size up with one another. Rose have a different platform, because we all can say Rose big pan TikTok, but me big a road. And when they say me all, I'm clean the shoes, I'm the maroon. The fact remain, I'm a legend, and nobody can take that from me. And since me a Rose, people disrespect me so. I'm take it.
Thank you.